The Technolog Faucet Aerator key and removal tool is an essential tool for any plumber or DIY enthusiast. Its carbon steel construction makes it strong and durable, while the brushed nickel finish adds elegance and corrosion resistance. With a diameter range of 21mm to 28mm, it fits most standard faucets, allowing for easy removal and installation of aerators. Keep your faucets in top condition with the Technolog Faucet Aerator key and removal tool.
The Drain Disconnect Tongs tool is a must-have for any plumber or DIY enthusiast who frequently works with brass pipe fittings. It removes 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, and 1 inch fittings quickly and easily without damaging the pipes. The tool's compact size and lightweight construction make it easy to carry in your toolbox or tool belt. Add the Drain Disconnect Tongs tool to your collection of plumbing tools for efficient and hassle-free plumbing jobs.
The Perfect Prime IR0005 infrared thermal imager and visible light camera is a versatile and user-friendly tool for identifying potential issues in electrical, mechanical, or HVAC systems. Its 35,200 pixel infrared resolution provides accurate thermal images, while its visible light camera allows you to capture images and videos. Its thin size and lightweight design make it easy to carry, and its intuitive controls make it easy to use.
The Wrong Pro Magnetic Small Pocket Level Tool is a handy and versatile tool that you can take with you wherever you go. Its small size and metal keychain hook make it easy to carry on your keyring or in your pocket, so you always have it on hand. The tool features 2 bubble levels that provide accurate measurements, whether you're hanging pictures, installing shelves, or working on other projects that require precise leveling. The magnetic base also allows you to attach the tool to any metal surface, making it even more convenient to use.
The Rigid 40617 Model 101 Close Quarters Tubing Cutter is a handheld tool designed to cut copper, brass, and aluminum tubing with a diameter range of 1/4 to 1 1/8. Its compact design allows for cutting in tight spaces, making it ideal for use in plumbing, HVAC, and automotive applications. The cutter features a large, knurled knob for easy adjustment and a replaceable, hardened steel cutter wheel that provides smooth, clean cuts. The cutter also has a convenient fold-away reamer for deburring the cut end of the tubing, which helps to ensure a secure, leak-free connection.
The inside pipe cutter with a 1/4 inch hex shank is a plumbing tool designed to cut PVC and other plastic pipes from the inside. The set typically includes a cutter body and several cutter blades of different sizes to fit various pipe diameters. The tool is designed to be used with a cordless drill that has a 1/4 inch hex shank chuck, which allows the cutter to be easily attached and detached from the drill.
The PVC Tub Drain Extractor is the perfect tool for removing stubborn, rusted or broken bathtub stoppers with ease. Its solid construction ensures that it is strong enough to handle any job, while its design allows for a tight grip, ensuring that you can remove even the most stubborn drain. With the 6 pieces pipe nipple extractor included in the kit, you will have all the tools you need to tackle any plumbing job. The kit includes a range of sizes, making it suitable for a wide range of pipes. Not only is the PVC Tub Drain Extractor easy to use, but it also comes with a solid storage case. This means that you can keep all your tools organized and easily accessible. No more rummaging around in drawers looking for the right tool.
Introducing the PVC Fitting Saver with 1.5 inch and 2 inch head aluminum, PVC pipe reamer, PVC socket saver with 0.315 inch hex shaft, the ultimate tool for repairing damaged PVC fittings, water lines, drain lines, and vent lines. Its versatility, durability, and ease of use make it a must-have for anyone who works with PVC pipes regularly. The compact plumbing pipe press toolkit with Pro Press Jaws crimping heads is a high-quality tool designed to make copper pipe installation quick and easy. This toolkit includes crimping heads in 4 different sizes: 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch, 1 inch, and 1 1/4 inch, which covers most common plumbing pipe sizes. Using this tool is simple. Just attach the appropriate crimping head to the press tool, position it on the pipe, and squeeze the handles. The crimping head will compress the copper pipe and fitting together, creating a tight, leak-free seal. The compact size of the tool makes it easy to use in tight spaces, and it's also lightweight and easy to maneuver.
The Refinery pipe and valve wrench is a 10-inch tool with a unique design that makes valve opening easy. It has graduations on the hook jaw for different pipe sizes, a movable jaw with a ratchet function, and replaceable jaws made of twice-hardened alloy steel. The wrench is highly resistant and has a flat hitting area that doubles as a hammer. It's a versatile and durable tool for anyone who works with pipes and valves.